Alright, so this is the making of disease. Several causes. We cover the climates. That's called external causes. Come from the outside and enters the body. Each climate has a specific effect on an element and then the organ system related to the element. Wind will affect liver and gallbladder. I say liver because that's the yin, gallbladder is the yang. So we refer to the yin organs, which are not the more important ones, but the ones that store the vital substances. So we have liver, heart, kidney, spleen, and lung. 5. And then there are the yang organs that help support the process. So liver and gallbladder, kidney and bladder, but we refer to the yin as the main one. So wind affects liver, heat affects heart, dampness affects spleen, dryness affects metal, lung, cold affects kidney. Those are external, they come from the outside and they enter. Internal causes, those are the emotions they generate from the inside. So the emotions, they're felt in the heart, but they are generated by an organ system. Anger comes from the liver. Overexcitation, hysteria, that comes from the fire. Worries come from the earth, from spleen. So hysteria from the heart, worries from the spleen, sadness from the lung, and fear from the cold. And this is the biggest difference between the acupressure and Qigong approach to medicine versus acupuncture. Acupuncture, even though it covers all three aspects, physical, mental, and emotional, is more of a physical approach, where acupressure especially and acupuncture and Qigong have more of a mental, emotional approach. And in the line of school of thoughts that I follow and I practice, we see emotions as the number one cause that then causes the trickle-down effect. Start from an emotion, we start behaving in a certain way, it's a mental aspect, and then making decisions in terms of lifestyle, and then the thing goes from emotional, mental, and then eventually the imbalance becomes physical. We see it in the tissues. But the starting point is the emotion from this school of thought. Other causes: inappropriate diet and exercise, poor constitution, excessive sexual activities, overworking, traumas and injuries, parasites, toxic substances. So this is also a generic picture of what causes troubles in the body, mind, and spirit.